Good morning, students. I hope you are benefited with my last lesson that I started glimpses of India and its first part, a baker in Goa. And I hope now you came to know about some traditions of Goa. Today I have a different topic for you. The second part of this lesson, and again we are going to very beautiful place, and sometime it is called heaven of the earth. Yeah, you understand it? Can you tell me the place? No, my dear, it is not Jammu and Kashmir, but it is very vigorous place of Karnataka and the district which is called Kadagu or Kurgi. Yes, my student, today we are going to learn about Kurgi. Kurg is a small district of Karnataka. It is a hill station, but the whole place is very beautiful. It is so beautiful that people compare it to the Nandankanan of Indra or paradise. Yes, it's evergreen forest, coffee plantation, everything is very surprising. If you have time, visit it. But please don't visit in rainy season. Yes, because there heavy rainfalls is there. So it is very dangerous to go there from July to October. But from November you can visit this place. And student, this place is inhabited by a very brave caste. Very brave people lives in this area. They are called Kurgis. And these people are famous for their bravery. Even our first army general, General Cariappa, was also a Kurgi. Next thing about this place is full of beautiful wild animals, beautiful scenery, coffee plants, and there is also spices. Yes, cultivation or agriculture of spices is also there. They are very rich people. And when you visit this place, the smell of coffee will give you vigorous things. These Kurgi people call themselves that we are descendant of Alexander. They consider themselves Greeks. A story is also there that when Alexander had attacked on India, this troop of army has reached in Karnataka. Just then they got the information that Alexander had returned back. But these people did not return back. They settled on this hill area. Later on, they have a marriage relation with the local people, the people who are living nearby. And their ladies were very beautiful. And all these people are very brave. Some stories goes that all these people belong to Arabia because their clothes, they wear kupiya, that is related to the kupiya of Arabian desert. So sometimes these people say that we are Arabians. We are just settled here. But people nowadays, they are true Indian and working well. They are famous for their traditions, their martial traditions. Actually, at the time of their festival, you can visit how braveryful work they used to do at the time of their marriage and even in their festivals. And they are very good hospital people. They are very welcoming for their guests. And this place is also famous for adventurous activities because you can participate there very mountaineering, rock climbing, this type of river rafting, and especially in this area river Kaveri flows, that is full of fresh water, and there are very famous freshwater fish Mahasir is also find out. You can see her while jumping into the water, and the squirrels, the big groups of elephants can welcome you, and another very surprising animal, the langurs, were also there, and the whole place is worthwhile to visit. You can go and visit it. It is very good place. And when you come to the Brimgiri, Brahmgiri is the hilltop area, and from there you will be able to see the whole panoramic view of Coorg districts. And at last, I will like to request you, if you have any time, please visit this district, and you will find out that this earth has many treasures, many surprises for us, many wonders. We need to see them. And even our own country, it has a variety of sites, variety of people. We just need to go through them. We just need to go them and visit them. We will find out how vivid our country is, how many type of traditions is there. Thank you, that's all.